In 1920, a man convinced 40,000 people to give him their life savings with a promise that seemed too good to be true. Charles Ponzi claimed he could double your money in 90 days. His plan sounded brilliant. Buy cheap postal coupons in Europe, sell them for profit in America, simple arbitrage. Investors lined up around the block. Ponzi was making $250,000 every single day. He bought mansions, luxury cars, lived like a king. Early investors got massive returns, exactly as promised. Word spread like wildfire. People mortgaged their homes just to invest with him, but the Boston Post got suspicious. They did the math. The shocking truth. There weren't enough postal coupons in the entire world to make Ponzi's plan work. He was paying old investors with new investors' money. A house of cards built on lies. When it collapsed, $20 million had vanished. 40,000 families were ruined. Charles Ponzi's name became forever linked with financial fraud, and over a century later, scammers still use his exact playbook.